Okay, our last example with tables, for at least for a while, is going to now be looking at units of dozen and our good old friend moles. Now remember, 1 mole is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd things. It doesn't matter what it is, it always equals that amount. Just like 1 dozen equals 12 things. And it doesn't matter whether we're talking about eggs or bowling balls or ping pong balls or whatever it is, it's still a unit of count. It doesn't matter what the object is. So because we can use the relationship 4 to 1 to 1 if we're at an individual count, we can also use that relationship 4 to 1 to 1 if we're in dozen. We can also use that relationship if we are in moles. So what we're going to do now is we are going to start looking at how do we transition, instead of thinking about individual legs, into thinking about the unit of moles or moles of legs. So the first question, how many moles of tables can we make from 32 moles of legs? It's no different than saying we have 32 legs. The relationship is the same. So we're going to start with our number and unit. So we have 32 moles of legs, and we put it over 1. Moles of legs comes down, and moles of tables comes to the top. Well, the relationship is still 4 legs to 1 table. Okay, so it's just 32 divided by 4. I will have 8 moles of tables. Okay, the next example, how many moles of tables can we make from 12 moles of tops? It's exactly the same as if I said, how many tables can I make from 12 tops? The ratio still works. So I have 12 moles of tops, put it over 1. Moles of tops comes down. Moles of tables come to the top. And it's a 1 to 1 ratio. And so I know that I can make 12 moles of tables. Last example, how many moles of legs are needed to make 6 moles of tables? Well, now we're going the reverse way. So I'm just going to start 6 moles of tables, put it over 1. Moles of tables comes down. Moles of legs goes to the top. And I know I need 4 legs per 1 table. And so it's going to be 6 times 4, and I get 24 moles of legs.